Hey, I'm building myself a bench power supply. Not that I need one, I already have two, but it looked like a fun project. So I found this on Bamboo, and yes, it is sitting on the bottom because I'm still in the middle of building it. And there's no screws in it. And got her plugged in down there. Got her plugged in down there. So this is really neat. So it takes a computer power supply and you plug her in and you turn her on, and you got your USB, you got 3.3 volt, you got 5 volt, you have 12 volt, and then you got a variable. And I got fuses on everything, I got power switches on everything, so we can turn each one on and off. I'm still working out the 3.3 volt. I got to get a different 5 volts to it for the actual lamp. And I've got it tied in right here so it doesn't shut off when I turn it off. And then when I turn this one off, it goes off. And if I turn this one on, then I got no lamps until I turn this one on. So we'll work that out. That's easy enough. And let me show you what she looks like underneath. So I printed the face of this in PLA, and I printed the body and the back in pt.1 for heat. And I got this guy here. I used the Molex for the 12 volt, and then I made this Molex for 12, 5, and 3.3 volts. And so this guy goes into 12 volt here, this guy, and the 12 volt constant all go into this Molex here. And let me disassemble this so we can go in a little further. Off, one off, and then I need to undo these guys. One moment, please. Yeah, good enough. So the main power supply, I've tied in my switch wires that I can't unhook right now. So they're tied in to this main motherboard connector. And then I used one of the ATX 4-pin. Oh, where'd you go? Oh, this is it. So I used the ATX 4-pin for this guy. And then I snipped one of the SATAs for the 5 volt and 3.3 volt. And then I used the ancillary 12 volt off of this Molex for the 12 volt for this guy. And we got a little computer power supply in there, all nice and snug. I still need to put some inserts in here, so I got to set the inserts in, and then I've got to print some TPU feet and put those on. And these holes are to hold the PSU a little better. And I'm probably going to build a bracket because I don't have any screw holes for standoffs and screws on that. So that'll be easy enough. And I'll give you an update when we get a little closer to the end.